Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this glitter look on my channel. Always kind of a little extra, but that's okay. Yeah, I used some new products in this video and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. And if you do enjoy my videos, please subscribe and like. And I love you guys. And then I'm going to be doing another video talking about my giveaway. So stay tuned for that one. So you guys could know how to enter and win the goodies that I got for you guys. So yeah, and I'm super excited and super grateful. And I love you guys so much because I did hit my 100 subscribers. I'm like, like so fucking excited. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, continue watching. We're gonna start off with Too Faced Prime Set and Refresh. I'm gonna use this to prime my face and it smells amazing. I did use it in my last video and I really like it. I did say to shake it well before and I already shook it. I shook it. So for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and I have the 3W1 Dusk. I've actually been using this foundation for like a good, well, ever since it came out, because my homegirl, Callie, Miss Callie K, she worked for Laura Mercier and she gave me a sample of this and it's amazing. So I've been using it since it came out. Didn't buy a bottle, and this is the first time I buy the bottle. I was just taking samples, so don't judge me. So we're gonna put this all over the face. Yes. If you're looking for a foundation that is full coverage, I definitely recommend this foundation. It's amazing. So we're gonna put that on the face. We're gonna put that on the face. You know what, guys? I was actually looking at one of my old videos. Like, old. I act like I've been doing YouTube for the longest time. My first video, and my face was so messed up. Like, literally, last night, I couldn't sleep, so I was watching my old videos. Jesus Christ. And, it was insane. I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender, a damn beauty blender. It was insane how freaking damaged. And still, I still have a lot of acne scars and stuff like that and a lot of breakouts. But, ooh, Jesus Christ. That was bad. I literally almost cried last night when I saw my video. Actually, it's my first video. And let me just let you guys know, I never had acne growing up. I did not struggle with acne. And I guess in my adult, turning 30 definitely took a toll on me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape concealer from Tarte, and this one is in light medium. I'm gonna kill my upstairs neighbors, I swear to God. So I'm trying to do as many videos as I can. Well, you know, I'm trying to upload as much as I can, but I would love for you guys to tell me what you guys would love to see. I'm so down to hear about like your experiences with a certain product and how you want me to review the product or anything like that. So if you guys have like any suggestions or just kind of interacting a little bit more with me, I'm totally down with that. I would love to just kind of get your guys' input. We can be friends, you know. I like friends. I want to be your friend. I did do my eyebrows, as you can see. And I did set my concealer, and I set my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So now we're gonna bronze up the face. we gonna bronze it up. So I'm gonna go in with this Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula. And this one is in light to medium. And then I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush like this. Like these, my friends. And this one is the Wet n Wild brush. Put it everywhere. Just bronze it up. Because it's not dark enough. Dean, my friends. I'm going to go in with a angle brush and just keep dropping shit on the floor. You know, just keep on doing that. Make sure you drop stuff on the floor. Just make sure you do that. Do what I do. I'm gonna go with an angled brush, and this one is the Morphe. And then I'm gonna go in with two products. First one I think I'm gonna go in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And then I'm gonna take this color right here. This far color right here. I'm gonna deepen up and make sure that I am, you know, that my contour is legit. Oh, jeez. Don't take as much as I did, guys. Jesus Christ. Now I'm gonna go in actually with my Hoola. And then I'm just going to kind of soften that up just because this one is so harsh. And it really doesn't, I kind of like being a little bit extra. That's just who I am. I'm gonna cut this double chin out because ain't nobody got time for that. We're gonna go in, I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. blush, and I don't even remember which one it is. It's kind of, oh, it's Twinkle Pink. It's one of my favorites. I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. I am going to go in, I actually got this from Ulta. It's the Morphe Beauty Blender, and I really wanted to try this end because it's like a really sharp end. And I want to try it with my translucent powder so I can get like a really sharp edge and really clean right here when I bake. I'm gonna go in with the eyebrows, Z eyebrows, ZZ. So we're gonna go in with Morphe M16, what is it? 167. And then I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill, and I'm gonna take Beam, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. We're gonna highlight. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy blending brush. And I'm thinking, because I have two palettes for Morphe here, and I don't know exactly 100% what I'm thinking, or what I'm doing, or what I want to do, or whatever. But I think I'm just going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I think I'm going to take the two transition colors on the top, which is Silk Cream. I'm probably going to take Silk Cream and Pooter. Silk Cream and Pooter. Yeah, we're gonna use those. I'm just gonna put that as a transition color. I'm gonna go in with Pilky with the same brush. I'm gonna deepen up a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with Chip. Deepen up just with that. Maybe I'm gonna go in with a different brush. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M433. with that color Chip from my Jaclyn Hill palette. And then I'm just really gonna intensify this outer V right here. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Jax and just put that right on top of that, on top of Chip with the same Morphe M433, sorry. Just gonna put it right on top of that. Alright, so I'm just adding the same products on the bottom of the lid, everything that I put on top of the lid. And then we're gonna glitter the shit out. I got this kind of NYX glitter kit from Ulta. It was on sale, so you know your girl had to get it. So I'm going to add the glitter glue. It's a glitter glue primer. It looks like this. And I think I'm gonna use the two bottom ones, which is kind of like the color that I have, kind of like a copper color and this purple. So I'm gonna mix them both together. I'm gonna put some translucent powder on the bottom, so if any glitter falls off, I can just swipe it. For my duo glue to dry a little bit, and I'm gonna be using this, I think they're Ardell Studio Effect Pro Design lashes, and they look like this. So yeah, I'm gonna take this brush and just blend all this out, just because I smoked it out a lot. While we're waiting for that to dry, I'm actually gonna put highlighter on. I have not done so. I'm going to be using my new Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette, and it looks like that. And look how pretty these colors are. Isn't that the cutest thing? Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna go in with my highlighting brush, the one from Wet n Wild as well, and I'm gonna take both of these. This one on the top is Sweet Peony and Blushing Azalea. Hopefully I pronounced it right, because I've never used it before, so. Ooh, Jesus. I'm actually gonna go back with my highlighter brush, this one, and I'm gonna go in with my, if I can find it, where did I put it? My Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. And I'm gonna put it on top of that highlighter that I had. Yeah. Alrighty then. Alright, I got my tweezers and I got my lashes. So I did put my mascara on, and I put on my Origins brightening mascara from Ginseng. I put that on, and mascara on the top and bottom. And then on my inner corner, I just put Beam. I think that's what it is called. Yeah, Beam from my Jaclyn Hill palette. So the eyes are done. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Aria. Looks like that. going to top the liner off with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in Rome, the color Rome. See how this color. So now to finish off this look, I'm going to set it with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, and I'm gonna put that on my face so it can stay long all day. Fan it, make it look pretty. And this is the look, guys. This glitter as fuck look. I like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments on the bottom. You know, definitely let's interact a little more. I would love to fucking hear like what you guys have to say. Any comments, you know, any looks that you want me to do, anything like that. Like definitely comment below and let me know, and let's talk and let's be friends. Yeah. And if you enjoy, subscribe and like, and I'll see you beauties in the next video. Bye.